In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check shared files in Google Drive. We'll start from the Google homepage and walk through the simplest way to confirm what you've shared and what others have shared with you. Open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the right account by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. That way, you'll see the correct drive. Next, look to the top right for the Google Apps grid icon, the small square made up of 9 dots. Click that to open the Apps menu. This menu gives you quick access to your Google services. Find Drive in the list and click it. Drive will open and take you to your files and folders. Once you're in Drive, here's how to tell if one of your folders is shared with someone. Google Drive uses small visual badges on folder icons to indicate sharing. Take a moment to scan your folders. If you see a folder icon with a tiny person silhouette overlaid on it, that folder is shared. That badge means at least one other person has access, either because you invited them directly or because you turned on link sharing. When a folder is shared, the items inside might also be visible to those people, depending on how permissions are set. If a folder appears as a plain, simple folder icon with no badge, it isn't shared. In that case, only you can access it. This is helpful when you're sorting personal content from collaborative content at a glance. If you're managing sensitive work, keep an eye on these icons so you don't accidentally move items into a shared space. To see items that others have shared with you, look at the left side panel and click Shared with Me. This view collects files and folders that other people have given you access to. You'll typically see the most recent shares first, making it easy to find fresh content. From here, you can open a file to view or collaborate, depending on the permission you were granted. Remember, items in Shared with Me are owned by someone else, so they control access and can update or remove it. That's all there is to it. Open Google, use the Apps grid to get into Drive, scan your folder icons for the sharing badge to know what you've shared, and use Shared with Me to quickly find what others have shared with you. With these cues, you'll always know what's private and what's collaborative in your Google Drive.